Now we are looking at the pre-Black Friday sales for laptops. I've already gone ahead and sorted everything on sale. These are as you can see here, the gaming laptops on the Canada Computer website. Looking through, save like a couple $100 right off. So a lot of these are powered by the NVIDIA cards. So I mean, not usually that big of a laptop person. I prefer a desktop, but just doing this here for the audience. Let me scroll up. There was something that caught my eye at $500 in savings, which was this right here. This is the Gigabyte Aorus. I believe that's how you say it. Okay, so i7. Uh, I mean, this looks pretty nice. Wow, this thing used to be $2,000. That's crazy. That is nuts. But $500 there, you can save just coming on down at the HP Victus. You can do nice little $400 in savings there as well. I guess at this point, this is probably just free advertisement for Canada Computer. So Canada Computers, if someone from there is watching, feel free to reach out to me. Maybe I can do some content for you. But just looking around here, okay, this is the Asus. Oh, I like this nice white color scheme here, and that looks pretty good in my opinion. I don't think I've ever owned a white laptop before. Mine have usually just been silver, dark gray, or black, but this one looks really nice. Yeah, I really like this one. This is really nice. Okay, let's just go back. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, my internet's just being a little slow. All right, there we go. Coming on down, Asus Predator, you can save $500 there. Asus Tough, I'm guessing this is part of the Tough gaming brand that Asus has. So overall, couple $100 in savings that you could have here for the laptops, the gaming laptops specifically. Let me head on over. Let me just go back and see if I can also see for just plain Windows laptops. Maybe some of you aren't going to be doing gaming. Let's go ahead and toggle that on sale checkbox right there. Let's see what we got. Okay, just $200 off 300 Lenovo Slim. Okay, let's just check and see what the specs are on this one. And let me see if there's anything else that catches my eye here. Are there any HP laptops on sale? Oh, $62. No, not as much savings as you see here on just the regular Windows laptop side. You get a lot more on the gaming side. But taking a look here, this is the Lenovo Slim. It's using the Intel Arc graphics for, just a little shy of $1,000. Well, 1,099. Oh, sorry, just shy of $1,100, I should actually say. So not too bad. I was really shocked at the laptops here in the gaming section. Did not know like they had like such big discounts. And again, this is just pre Black Friday. I'll be doing another one on actual Black Friday just to see. Yeah, even you can see here they got way more laptops available than the business and the just a regular Windows one. Come back in here. Again, I'm just checking to see if anything catches my eye here. Again, this is for anyone out there that is looking for a gaming laptop specifically. These are the sales that you do see, again, on the Canada Computers website. And yeah, this is pretty good. I'll go ahead and make a separate video. Maybe we can check out the Best Buy one just to do some comparison and see if they have any better sales. So again, this is the pre-Black Friday day sales on Canada Computers for the gaming laptops.